I got an inquiry this morning on selecting the size of a vanity to be replaced in a U-shaped nook. I want to explain how to choose the right size vanity with this chance. Let's take a look. The background here is the vanity itself is around 38 inches and the wall is around 42 inches. The customer chose this vanity from Wayfair that measures 41.7 inches. And here's my video reply to her. Hey Lee, thanks for reaching out. I want to recap your post about the 41.7-inch vanity from Wayfair. Now, generally, when we build a vanity like this, you want to leave a lot more room than that. So typically, we have 2 inches on either side of the any cabinet. Facing a U-shaped wall like this, just to account for any unevenness in the wall. Sometimes the wall there's a curve to it. Sometimes the angle is not the right angle. Sometimes the wall is more like this. So while the back wall would maybe 42 like the front, maybe less. So you don't want to cut it too close. Now in your case, with a vanity like that, if you're gonna spend $1,300 on a off-the-shelf vanity anyway, maybe if you just spend, let's say, around $2,000, you can get a custom-made one, and with better material that fits exactly into your space. So that's the route I would recommend you to go, because usually people are looking for spend a little bit less money. So maybe they want to spend like $300, $500 to get a off-the-shelf kind of vanity. Then there's a significant cost saving. But if you're already considering a 1,300 vanity, then might as well spend a little bit more and get a custom-made one. So that way it's gonna fit 100%. I hope this video has been helpful in educating you on how to select the right size vanity for your bathroom. Let me know in the comments below what your situations are, and I'll be sure to reply.